You can't be the playmate for your child, and you cannot allow your child only to be in the house.
I have less friends to play with, or today I'm feeling lonely.
I hear from so many parents that they live in a place where they have no other kids.
Yeah, other child's parents are always there and controlling and making them share and all of that. At my place, I let them be.
It's not as if our children need 20 friends, but at least one playmate our child needs, and our child needs to spend some time outdoors. Interestingly, what the school did, ये दोनों बहुत बात करते हैं, हमारा section change कर दिया उन्होंने.
I have a seven-year-old single child. I feel that she's a little restrictive in the kind of friends she wants to make. She's good in school, I feel, because she comes back home happy. At home, she becomes restrictive as to which friends she wants to play with. She prefers to stay at home. Ultimately, she is with me the entire day when she's at home. Even if she goes to some friend's house, the other child's parents are always there and controlling and making them share and all of that. At my place, I let them be. So she's happier when her friends come over, but they also have their own activities and schedules, so it's not always possible. She keeps on complaining that I have less friends to play with, or today I'm feeling lonely, I want to play with someone. But I can't make arrangements for her to have friends all the time when she wishes to.
When she's at home, what does she do?
She has lots of activities. She loves art and craft. She'll ask me to read to her. She'll also ask for TV, but she's manageable there. Or interact with her grandparents. After all of that, she comes back to me saying, "Ab main kya karu?"
One stark answer, right? I'm saying, like, in our building, my daughter has a couple of friends who she enjoys playing with. They're okay to come to our house. She's okay to go to their house. But I hear from so many parents that they live in a place where they have no other kids, or the child does not have any friend, or the parents of other children are not the kind of parents and families they want to be around. And my genuine advice to those parents is, please change your home. Please change your house, move somewhere. Because I see no other way to solve it. I think it is important for our child to interact with life, to have playmates. Even one is enough. Today I'm sitting here talking to all of you, people attending, etc., as an entrepreneur earlier. But I have always been an introvert child. And I had till college only, in like first 18 years of life, I had only 2 friends. एक स्कूल में था and I had one friend at home. Interestingly, what the school did, ये दोनों बहुत बात करते हैं, हमारा section change कर दिया उन्होंने. But they should never have done it.
I fear the same thing.
That was enough. It's not as if our children need 20 friends, but at least one playmate our child needs, and our child needs to spend some time outdoors. And the idea is not outdoors is important, ABCD. Interaction with life is important. That is the crux of it. In your case, this is what you have to enable. Your child is in a certain habit that has set in. You can't be the playmate for your child, and you cannot allow your child only to be in the house. So, if I was in your place, I would find one friend for the child somehow, and I will find and take the initiative. Invite that friend home. If this is current circle में नहीं है तो नया circle. Send my child over to their house. Start with one-on-one, because that is sometimes easier than in a group. The other thing I would do is find hobby classes for my child, where the child will go and meet new people. This is assuming that your child, everything else is fine. Your child does make friends, has friends in school. Then I would actually look for a place where there are other parents who think like me, think like us, have the same values. It's not to say जो parents अभी हैं वो गलत है, but उनके values और आपके values different है. So you will find a place where values match. I do think it seems like a lot of effort, but I do think it is important.
We've thought about it. We just fear, what if she has the same restrictive behavior in another place where we shift? So just that at the back of our mind.
No, that is true. One is up. So you should absolutely fully try in this society by hobby classes, by trying something else. You should see whether the child does make friends in school. If a child is very, very bossy, then nobody wants to play with the child. And in that case, there is some learning that the child needs to have at home, in school, to understand their own behavior, so that they don't become adults like that. That is our job as a parent. But yes, our child does need to interact with life. That is absolutely clear. In such a case, the easiest thing is to go find a hobby class for the child to ensure the child is going outside.
Thank you.
Yeah.